Sleep is a huge part of everybody's life anyway, but I think when you're a sports person, you perform on the track and you compete, week in, week out, but actually a massive part of the way you perform and how you recover from sessions and how you allow your muscles to adapt and, avoid injuries is all down to how much sleep and rest your body's getting. So for me, when I was training full time, I'd have quite a strict training schedule where I trained twice a day most days. I'd always have a rest day where I'd try and recover as much as I could. And I'd often have, like children do, a nap at lunchtime. So I would train in the morning, have quite a heavy session in the morning, and then I'd come home and I'd have a lunchtime nap and then do another session in the afternoon. And, I really, through those years, really understood how important sleep was in allowing me to be able to train, at the absolute peak performance.